today. Got my beautician coming over this afternoon, make me beautiful again. We are headed out to Sheep Bridge Road for I think a Class C motorhome stuck in the mud. We've got a new cameraman. We got Ryan.
How you doing?
So we're gonna go see if we can get these guys out of the mud and on their way. Not taking the dogs today. Never a good idea to take the dogs in the mud. So we're trying out some 35s. I just bought some used 35s to see if they're gonna fit. I think they are. We're gonna see if the gears are right for this tall of a tire. What a mess. Yeah, we are definitely gonna be hitting the car wash after this one. Stuff together that we need to get this RV out of here. These have big beefy castings right here where we can hook them. They're not castings, they're forgings. A lot of people get that confused. Cast iron and forged steel looks a lot the same.
How was that?
Yeah. Perfect. Great experience. Thank you.
If you want to ride in the Jeep, you can ride in the Jeep. I don't care.
Can we put this inside?
Yeah.
Merry car!
All right, so we're gonna head out to the road now. What's your name?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Maria from Spain.
From Spain. All right.
Yes. Oh, please be my friend and stay with me.
So you guys came in yesterday and it was nice. The road was okay.
Yeah.
And then it rained all night.
During the night, that's why.
So you're all from different. You said Spain and Amsterdam
And friends.
and France. You know what, Ryan? Do you want to go get in the seat of that thing and help? See Zion, the Grand Canyon,
Yes.
Bryce Canyon.
Well, we're planning on it, but
It's snowing. No?
yeah, it's snowing right now.
Oh,
So
okay.
we don't want to get stuck.
We're not gonna order. Mais look the face of the killer. Look at Caravana. She told us
Look at how pretty it was.
inside it need to.
Yeah, you could go to a car wash and spray it off.
At the end of the weekend.
Yeah.
What language are you guys speaking?
Spanish,
Spanish?
French, Spanish.
But you all
English.
understand? You guys speak all those languages?
No, only Spanish, English, and our own mother tongue. Yes.
It's so cold here to live like in a tent.
It's not supposed to be like this time of year here. It's
Maybe.
supposed to be like
Lucky.
dry and hot. Guys came in. It was fine. It rained in the night. You got trapped. Not your fault.
No.
You got mud all over my face?
A little bit.
I hit those together and shot right over my face. Thinking about switching brands of ropes. Found another place that has these ropes for half the price. They got good reviews. So do me a favor real quick. Stop for a second.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Got that part of it done. We're headed down to wash the Jeep off. I think they're gonna follow us to the car wash too. So hopefully Ryan caught all that. How do you feel you did?
I don't know. We'll find out.
You guys got to remember, we're not cameramen. We're just doing the best we can. Sometimes it's good enough. Sometimes it's not. Well, we finally got the Jeep cleaned up, helped them get their RV cleaned off. I don't think they'd ever seen a self-serve car wash. Got the RV cleaned up and got them on their way, and I think they were headed to the Grand Canyon. Another good day, beautiful weather. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really enjoy putting these movies out. Piece of junk. Thank you. Okay. Oops.